Alright, g'day trendsetters. Here we are with another 3-minute Monday. And I reckon I've only got about 3 minutes left before the sun goes down. But this is part 2. This is the planting of the no-dig lettuce. And really the planting is the dead easy part. The first hardest part is your soil preparation, which we went through in the last video. And the next hardest part is getting them to grow and grow well, so as you get a nice lettuce to eat. So to go on to the second part, what I've done here is I've got a mixture of power feed and water, so it's just a power feed mixture, and they've been soaking for about half an hour in that. That is just to help reduce the transplant shock from out of the punnet into the soil. And the second thing is that it really makes them slide out really easy. Now all we need to do is pull back the mulch layer with a couple of fingers, just deep enough to push your mulch back around your lettuce. That's it, job done. Now, like I was saying, to get from here to something that's really good to eat, there's a couple of things you need to do. The first one is Epsom salts or magnesium sulfate. 2 or 3 teaspoons in a 9-litre watering can, poured over this after planting, is supposed to help sweeten your lettuce. And 2 other things to get lettuce to grow well. One is water, and in this is roughly a metre square area. I would water this daily with a 9-litre watering can, and weekly I would add a liquid fertiliser, as in the power feed that I've used here, until you're ready to eat them. And that's about all you need to do to get really, really good lettuce. Sunshine, water and food. Oh, one other thing I wanted to mention. When you're buying, if you're buying lettuce in punnets, as I have here, try and buy, it might sound a bit counterintuitive, try and buy the smallest plants you can. They'll have the least amount of root compaction in here, and when you put them in the soil, they'll just bolt away. These are a little bit bigger than I would like, but they're the smallest ones I could find. I think that's about all I can share with you. At the moment, I'm growing lettuce. This is a lettuce combination. But these are just the ones where you just pick the leaves around the outside and add to your salads or however you're going to use it. There you go, job done. Thanks for watching. It would mean a lot to me if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Help everything grow, not only lettuce. I need the channel to grow as well so I can make more videos like this. And thanks for watching, and cheers.